Example 1.19. Example 1.19. F from -2 to 2. -2 to b. Okay, is given by f of x equal to 2x cube. Function is given f of x equal to 2x cube. Then find b. So that f is onto function. If f is onto function, f from -2 to 2. In between number also is there limit, but not included -2 to 2. So we have to find out the b set. Okay, so given by f of x function is f of x equal to 2x cube. Then find b so that f is onto. Okay, let's see the question again. If f from -2 to 2b, limit -2 to minimum value -2, maximum value 2 b is given by f of x equal to 2x cube. Function is given. Then find b value, limit, so that f is onto. F onto இருக்கும்போது b value find பண்ணோம். Okay, let's see the solution of this question. Solution of example 1.19. Given function is f of x equal to 2x cube on -2 to 2. Limit is given. So minimum value of f is -2. Minimum value of f is -2. F of -2. Okay, so minimum value is f of -2, which implies that f of -2 equal to, in given function we give value x value as -2. Then f of -2 equal to 2 into x cube value -2 cube. So 2 into -2 into -2 into -2. So minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Okay, therefore that value is -8. Okay, so 2 into -8 value is -16. 2 into -8 value is -16. I repeat, given f of x equal to 2x cube on the interval -2 to 2. So minimum value -2, maximum value what? 2. So first we are going to find out minimum value is f of -2. So f of -2 equal to, we replace the x value as -2 here. So 2 into -2 cube. So -2 cube is -8. So 2 8s are 16, plus into minus minus. So minimum value is -16. Next maximum value is f of +2. Okay, maximum value f of +2. So f of 2 equal to, here we replace x value as +2. So 2 into 2 cube. So 2 cube value, you know that 2 into 2 into 2. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So 2 8s are 16. Therefore b value is -16 comma +16. -16 comma +16. Okay, this is the solution. I repeat, first given that f of x equal to 2x cube in limit -2 to 2. So first we are going to find out minimum value is f of -2. We replaced x value as -2 here in f of x. So it becomes f of -2 equal to 2 into f of minus x cube is -2 cube. So -2 cube value is -8. So 2 into -8 is -16. Next maximum value is f of 2. So which implies that f of 2 equal to 2 into 2 cube. So 2 into 2 cube value is 8. Therefore 2 8s are 16. We have minimum value. This is maximum value. So b is -16 to +16 is the required b value. Okay.